Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be taking you through the ShapeShift for today. So let's get started. We buy and sell digital assets. The safest way to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many other blockchain tokens. Choose which asset to trade. It is easy, safe, and competitive. The recent transaction. 24-hour and enter your email right here to subscribe to this channel. Now click About. It will give you a video, so you can watch this video in your own time. Helpful tips. You can click this button to give it a try. This is the coin search. So this is where you can find the transaction. So I'm going to end the video right here. Subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and comment down below. Go to the Coins website to find more information. Have a great day.